Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter that is issue of debentures. Just as we had an issue of shares, that is issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium and discount. Same is the case in case of debentures. It is issue of debentures at par, issue of debentures at premium and issue of debentures at discount. So today we would be solving problems on issue of debentures at par. So take down illustration 1. Govind Limited issued 5,000 12% debentures of 100 each at par, payable as follows. Application 20, allotment 20, first call 30, final call 30. Public applied for 6,000 debentures. Application for 4,500 debentures were accepted in full. So there was oversubscription. So they accepted only 4,500 debentures. Application for 800 debentures were allotted. 500 debentures. So who applied for 800 got 500 debentures, and application for 700 were rejected. Money overpaid on application was utilized towards allotment. Past necessary journal entries that all the money was received except final call on debentures. So write down journal entries. It is the same way we did the share application entry. So draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first entry? It is bank account debited to 12% debenture application account. So how much is it? 6,000 into 20, that is 1,20,000 debit, 1,20,000 credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next, out of 6,000 only 4,500. So next entry, out of 6,000 only 4,500 were accepted. So 12% debentures application account debited to 12% debentures account to 12% debenture allotment account to bank account. So the debenture application will be 1,20,000. Debenture account will be 5,000 into 20, that is 1 lakh. How much is rejected? 700 are rejected. 700 into 20, 14,000. 6,000. So write the narration. Application money transferred. Next we have allotment entry. 12% debenture allotment account debited to 12% debenture account. 5,000 into 20, 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Next we have bank account debited to 12% debenture allotment account. Out of 1 lakh, 6,000 is already received in application. So 94,000 debit, 94,000 credit. Write the narration. Balance of allotment, money received. Next we have first call. 12% debenture, first call account debited to 12% debenture account. 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000 debit, 1,50,000 credit. Write the narration. First call money due. Next we have bank account debited to 12% debentures account. 1,50,000 debit, 1,50,000 credit. First call money received. Next we have 12% debentures second and final call account debited to 12% debentures account. How much is it? 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000 debit, 1,50,000 credit. Write the narration. Second and final call due. Next we have bank account debited to 12% debenture second and final call account. All the money is received except final call 200 debentures. So it is 5,000 minus 200, that is 4,800 into 30. 1,44,000 debit, 1,44,000 credit. Write the narration. Second and final call money received on 4,800 debentures at 30 per debenture. Clear? Take down illustration 3. Rose Limited issued 10% debentures of 100 each payable as follows: 10 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call, 40 on second and final call. Arun, who holds 500 debentures, failed to pay the amount due on allotment. He, however, pays this amount with the first call money. So he did not pay 500 debentures amount in allotment, but he paid it in the first call. Dinesh, who holds 800 debentures, paid all the calls in advance in allotment. So pass necessary journal entries. So journal entries in the books of Rose Limited. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. First entry is bank account debited to 10% debenture application account. How much is it? 10,000 into 10. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next we have 10% debenture application account debited to 10% debentures account. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Application money transferred. Next entry, 10% debentures allotment account debited to 10% debenture account. How much is it? 10,000 into 20. 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write the narration. Allotment money due. Next we have bank account debited to 10% debenture allotment account to calls in advance. So calls in advance is paid in the allotment stage. For how much? 800. 800 of first call, 800 of second and final call. So total is 70. 800 into 70, 5,000, 56,000. Debenture allotment will be 500 failed to pay. So from 10,000, 500 have failed to pay. So 9,500 into 20. How much is it? 1,90,000 and total is 2,46,000. Write the narration. Allotment money received on 9,500 debentures plus calls in advance on 800 debentures at rupees 70 per debenture. Next we have 10% debenture first call account debited to 10% debenture account. 1 lakh into 30, that is 3 lakh debit, 3 lakh credit. Write the narration. First call money due. Next we have bank account debited, calls in advance account debited to 10% debenture first call account. So how much will be calls in advance? 800 into 30 is for first call, 24,000. Bank account will be 2,76,000 and first and final call is 3 lakh. So write the narration. First call money received. So they have said that 500 debentures failed to pay the amount on allotment. So we need to write the entry for the same. What is the entry? It is bank account debited to 10% debenture allotment account. 500 into 20, 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit. Write the narration. Receipt of areas of allotment in respect of 500 debentures. Last entry we have final call. So 10% debentures, second and final call account debited to 10% debentures. 10,000 into 40, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Write the narration. Second and final call due. Next we have bank account debited, calls in advance account debited to 10% debenture, second and final call. So calls in advance will be 800 into 40, that is 32,000. 4 lakh is 10% debenture first and final call. I'm balancing 3,68,000 is bank account. So write the narration. Second and final call money received. Clear? So this is how we work out the problem when it is issue of debentures at par. Take down the next side heading, issue of debentures at premium. Take down illustration 4. Rohal Chemical Limited of Mumbai issued 1 crore 10% debentures of 100 each at a premium of 10%. Payable 40 on application, 70 on allotment. Debentures are redeemable on 31st March. Record necessary journal entry of issue of debentures that the issue is fully subscribed and all the money is received. So first is journal entries of Rohan Chemicals. So we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry is bank account debited to 10% debenture application account. It is 1 crore into 40. It is 40 crores debit, 40 crores credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next it is 10% debenture application account debited to 10% debenture account. Same amount, 40 crore debit, 40 crore credit. Write the narration. Application money transferred to debenture account. Next we have 10% debenture allotment account debited to 10% debenture account to securities premium reserve account. So it is 1 crore into 70, that is 70 crore. 10% is the premium. So 1 crore into 10, 10 crore. And 60 crore is 10% debenture. So write the narration. Allotment money due. Last entry we have bank account debited to 10% debenture allotment account. 60 crore debit, 70 crore debit, 70 crore credit. So this is also the same way how we did the premium on issue of shares at premium. So there is no much difference as in the case of issue of shares at premium and issue of debentures at premium. Take down illustration 5. Traditional Product Limited offered 2 lakh 8% debentures of 500 each at a premium of 10% payable as 200 on application including premium and balance on allotment. Redeemable at par after 8 years, but applications are received for 3 lakh debentures, that is oversubscription, and allotment is made on pro rata basis. All the money due on application and allotment is received. Record necessary journal entries. So journal entries of Traditional Products Limited. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first is bank account debited to 8% debenture application account. It is 3 lakh into 200, that is 6 crores. Debit, 6 crores credit. Write the narration. Application money received. Next, 8% debenture application account debited to 8% debenture account to securities premium reserve account to 8% debenture allotment account. So 8% debenture application will be 6 crore. 2 lakh into 50, that is 1 crore. Debenture will be 2 lakh into 150. Why 150? Because that 200 includes a premium, that is 3 crore, and the balance amount is allotment. How much is it? 2 crore. So write the narration. Transfer of application money to debenture account and excess to allotment account. Next we have 8% debenture allotment account debited to 8% debenture account. How much is it? 2 lakh into 350. How 350? Because this 200 includes premium, so it is only 150. 500 minus 150 is 350. 7 crore debit, 7 crore credit. Write the narration. Allotment due on 2 lakh shares at 350 each. Next we have bank account debited to 8% debenture allotment account. So it will be 7 crore minus the 2 crores. How much is it? 5 crore debit, 5 crore credit. Write the narration. Allotment money received. Clear? So this is how we work out the problem in case of securities premium account. So that's all for today. Thank you.